This is a gorgeous, warm and cozy 3-piece oversized cable knit sweater, scarf, and faux fur pom-pom top beanie. I was sent a review from Cutecrop, so let me show you a closer look. Here is the sweater, a beautiful knit, the long scarf, and the adorable beanie toboggan with fluffy faux fur button top. This is faux fur line. That is gonna be so stinking warm. This is a 3-piece set. The knit just matches perfectly. It's gorgeous. It does come vacuum packed and quite wrinkled, but it has a quick and easy restoration and wrinkle recovery. I just went over it a couple of minutes with my steamer and poof, gorgeous and wrinkle free. I love the fabric, the texture, the cuffed sleeves. It's just gorgeous. Regarding size, I'm 5'8", 130 pounds. I usually wear a size small, but I got the medium because I didn't want to risk it being too snug. But it's actually swimming on me, as you can see. So if you like this look, you can size up. But if you want it only slightly oversized, I would say order your true size. Regarding the thickness, it is cable knit, but it's not a super thick sweater. You can see my dark jeans under it in certain lighting, and the wind goes right through it. So for extra warmth, I definitely recommend layering under it or over it. Any of these pieces can be worn on its own, obviously, but together it is such an adorable winter or holiday outfit, as perfect for ice skating and taking family photos as it is for being warm and comfy while running errands. Low maintenance, great quality, cute, and budget friendly, this chunky sweater set is a winter fashion win.